Okay, hello guys. So now tail parts. Stabilizers, rudder and elevator. Don't glue this part. Don't glue it now. Just clear the imperfections. Again, try it without glue. Okay, polish it. Polish it for better movement in the fuselage. Okay, now connect it with push rod. Make Z-band. Use Z-band pliers. This is special Z-band pliers. Pusher of the push rod. Okay, and insert it in the repair linkage in the fuselage, above them. Okay. Now prepare the elevator. Up. And set the neutral angle. This should be 90 degrees. Okay. Let's apply some drop of glue. Okay. Push it in. Now we can finally glue this last part of the fuselage. And please don't apply say glue to this part. This is the part what should be pushing to the elevator arm, so we don't wanna glue it together, these two parts. We wanna keep the free movement of the elevator arm. Try it. Right. So again, now we apply this filament as a hinge for the elevator. Rudder now. Okay, push it through. Okay, push it through the hole.